Hello everyone. Today I will configure FSLogix Office 365 container via registry keys, not via GPO. I've created already a video on how to do it via GPO. Now we will try to do it via registry keys. So I have the same VM like last time. Let's just connect really quick to it. Okay, and at this moment it's configured via GPOs. Let's go to the editor and take a look. So all those registry keys have been created via the GPO. So, but now we will revert everything and recreate them manually. Not quite manually because I have a script. So we will do it with the PowerShell script. It's faster. But you can also do it manually. Right click, new, dword, enable, set it to 1, and so on. Okay, so first let's see. I want to shut down this VM, and after it's shut down, I will revert it to earlier snapshot where I don't have the FSLogix agent installed. Okay, so let's revert to this. I don't want to take another one. So it's already reverted, and we have to also disable or remove the policy because right now it's attached to that OU. So I have an VM in this OU, and this was the GPO for the FSLogix stuff, and we just need to delete it. It only deletes the shortcut because the GPO is here, so it still exists. I will use it later. Okay, so we have no GPO. We reverted the snapshot. We can power on the VM. And start from 0, but this time configure the GPOs via registry keys. Okay, so the VM is powered back on. Now we just need to log into it. Okay, so we are logged in. Let's check the installation status. I want to make sure that I reverted to the correct snapshot. I shouldn't see any FSLogix. Okay, perfect. So now we can install the FSLogix agent again. Yes, yes. Close. Restart the entire server. Not sign out. Restart. Yes, continue. Okay, I'm logging back in to the VM. Now we should have FSLogix installed. Okay, so it's installed, and we should also see all the registry keys. not all the registry keys, but at least the registry entries, the default ones for what we need. So policies, FSLogix, ODFC, and here we should have the setting. Now you remember from when we started that we had a lot of entries here, but now let's just create them via PowerShell script. I think I have it saved somewhere here. 1 second. Citrix. Okay, so wait, I need to copy it to a local folder. Okay, so here, paste. Open, wait, PowerShell. I want to open it with the IC. Okay, run as administrator. Okay, because I want to show you how it looks. So I'm not the PowerShell expert here, but I'm working very good with ChatGPT, and when I need scripts, or at least scripts that I cannot do by myself, he helps me out. So this is how the PowerShell script looks like. So it creates all the entries in our location, FSLogix ODFC, and below are all the settings that we had also created via the GPO. So enabled, flip-flop, include OneDrive, include Outlook, include Teams. The vdisk is growing dynamically. Size in megabytes, 1000 megabytes. VHD access mode, and the path to the containers. So let's take a look at, before I execute it, let's take a look at the share. So I'm logged in and there is no container created because it's not configured. Okay, let's run the script and let's check the registry. View, refresh. Okay, so it created all the registries that we need. So this is a faster way. If you have a lot of servers to configure, and if you want to deploy this via a PowerShell script, you can push this script to all your VMs and you configure them all at once. Okay, so we have everything configured. We just have to do a test, and the first test is, okay, so let's close this PowerShell and sign out. And I will try to log in with an Citrix account through Citrix, not through RDP. So I'm connected here with user 01. Let's try to log in. Okay, let's go to the share to see if it's creating. Yes, so it's creating the vdisk exactly as it would through GPO configuration. Okay, let's go back and yeah, so this was basically it. I would personally recommend that in a productive environment you should configure the FSLogix stuff through through the registry keys. I'm saying this because you have more control over them. Um, and by more control, I mean you can delete and add new entries or change the configuration. Where is that policy? So no, FSLogix policies, FSLogix. So you can delete an entry and create a new one and change an entry very easily. If we look at, and you know 100% sure that what you changed will also happen. When we look at the GPOs, a lot of settings are there. If you set them once, they will not go away. Let's see, or maybe I can find an example because I did read a few of them. So so this one, it's the easiest one. So as you can see here, the note tells you that even if you remove the GPO, the setting will remain. So the registry key will remain. So if, for example, you want this disabled or delete completely the, the GPO, that configuration will remain in the registry, and you will be okay. I removed the GPO, so everything is back to normal. No, the setting will remain in the registry, and you will have to manually go to that registry and right click and delete it. So this is why I mean that um, I believe it's better to configure an environment mm, like this through the registry keys. But nevertheless, you can configure it as you like. So this was it for this video. Um, Thank you for watching.